Sarah from Amy Rose Studio, and in today's video we're going to make some bookmarks just like these ones. They're really easy to make, and this is what you'll need to get started. You're going to need a printer and a laptop for this one, and then you're going to need some paper. I use 210 GSM photo paper. It's double-sided, but I just find this really good print quality. You get beautiful images. You're going to need a laminating pouch. I use the matte, but you can use the gloss. A laminator, as you can see, I use the Minc foiling machine as I find it a little bit better than the laminator. And then you're going to need a paper cutter, because I find they give a nice clean cut. But you can use scissors or a craft knife if that's what you have to hand. Okay, to start, we need to bring up our PDF file with the 4 bookmarks on there. And then we want to send them to the printer. So we'll click on print. And you want to find your settings. So choose your printer. And you want to go to more settings. Check you've got the right paper size, and you want actual size, and then print using system dialog. And then this is where you can choose, this is where you can choose the right settings for your printer. So I use matte paper, the matte photo paper, and then OK. And then print. Okay, now those are printed, we want to put them in our laminating pouch. Pop them in there like that. We'll just wait for our machine to get ready to go. Okay, now that's ready. We'll pop them through. And that's it, that's those laminated. Okay, now we want to cut them in our cutter. Now I did put cut lines on these. You can see the cut lines just to make it a bit easier for when you come to cut it. And that's our bookmarks cut. Now this part is optional, but just to finish our bookmarks, we're going to round the corners. Now I use this little machine here, it's a little corner rounder. I think it was just from Amazon, and you've got the different roundness of the corners. So let's try this one. That's that, that's the corners rounded. And now we're going to put some holes in the top with a little hole punch here. And then we can thread our little tassels through. And the last one. There we go. Those look gorgeous. And they were so easy to make and didn't take long at all. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you see, the paper I use, the quality is fantastic. Gorgeous. Very detailed. Beautiful. And there's our bookmarks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, can you give it a little thumbs up? Thank you very much. Bye.